Managing your time well is the key to having a peaceful mind. When you control your day, stress decreases and your happiness grows. This video will show simple and practical steps to manage your time better, so you can feel calm and focused every day. First, start by planning your day. Before you begin, make a to-do list. Write down all the tasks you want to complete. This helps you see what needs your attention and keeps you organized. Keep the list realistic and do not overload it. Too many tasks can make you feel overwhelmed. Next, prioritize your tasks. Decide which tasks are most important or urgent. Focus on those first. When you finish your top priorities, you will feel accomplished and less stressed. Use simple categories like must do, should do, and can wait to help decide what to do first. Break your work into smaller parts. Large tasks can seem difficult, but if you divide them into small steps, they become easier to handle. For example, if you need to write a report, start by collecting information, then write an outline, and finally complete each section. Taking small steps keeps your mind calm and makes progress steady. Set specific time limits for each task. For example, spend 30 minutes on emails and 1 hour on studying. When you give yourself a clear time frame, you avoid wasting time and stay focused. Use a timer or an alarm to remind yourself when time is up. This technique is helpful to keep your mind clear and prevent distraction. Do not forget to take breaks. Short breaks refresh your brain and improve concentration. After working for 25 or 50 minutes, take a 5 to 10 minute break. Stand up, stretch, or walk a little. This gives your mind a chance to relax and stay peaceful throughout the day. Learn to say no to things that are not important. Sometimes people ask for your time, but these activities may not help you reach your goals. Saying no politely helps protect your time for what really matters. It also reduces stress and keeps your mind calm. Keep distractions away. Turn off unnecessary notifications on your phone or computer. Find a quiet place to work or study if possible. When you reduce interruptions, you finish tasks faster and feel more relaxed. At the end of the day, review what you have done. Celebrate your achievements, even small ones. This will give you a sense of success and peace. If some tasks are left, move them to the next day's list without worrying too much. Remember, managing your time is a skill. It takes practice and patience. When you manage your time well, your mind becomes peaceful and you feel more in control of your life. Start today. Plan, prioritize, focus, take breaks, and protect your time. Your peaceful mind will thank you.